And finally, entertainment news now. Let's get you all the star action and awards from IFA in Malaysia. The big winners of the evening were Queen and Haider. Pooja Talwar reports.
I've always wanted to say, and the award goes to, well, no such luck here, but we bring you the winners of the 16th edition of the IFAs, which were held in Kuala Lumpur.
The night belonged to Haider and the Queen. Shahid Kapoor took home the IFA for Best Actor. The film also won Tabu, the Best Supporting Actress prize, and KK Menon, Best Villain.
We didn't know that we're making a film that's different, but we were also scared that is this the kind of film that would be appreciated and understood by a larger section of the audience. But the love for the film has kind of been growing. You know, when the film came out, it was liked, and then through the award season, the love for it has been, it's just been growing, and it's phenomenal to see that sometimes when you make a film without worrying about how it's going to do and just try and go out there and make it honestly.
Kangna, who is an award no-show, won the Best Actress for Queen. The film also won Best Film. And the Best Director trophy went to Raju Hirani.
कल वो टेक्निकल अवार्ड्स हुए आज किसी ने बताया कि हमको एक डायलॉग सुनना तो मैं आजकल देखता ही हूँ कि क्या है आई फिर ऐसा प्लेस जहाँ पे आके आपके सारे दोस्त लोग आते हैं जैसे अनुष्का ने कहा आप मिलते हो उनके साथ मजा आता है इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन फॉर मी सीरियसली सेलिब्रेशन अवार्ड मिले ना मैंने डरा
Yeah, I feel like this year the films that are doing well really are saying something different, content-wise, and that's always very hard to see.
Actress Deepika Padukone won IFA's Woman of the Year. Subhash Ghai was presented Lifetime Achievement Award by Anil Kapoor and Jackie Shroff.
And I think his contribution to Indian cinema has been absolutely tremendous.
Congratulations, with Pico, and you're also nominated for Happy New Year.
Yes, I have been nominated for Happy New Year, but I think there were some much better performances last year, and there's a lot of other girls who truly deserve the award.
And your smile is getting even wider with Pico. Nobody can get enough of that.
Yes, even now as we speak, it's nice to know that the film is still running and people are still watching. It's one of those rare films that will always be very, very special.
And also both your co-stars are hosting the show. And so are you expecting some madness?
What do you think? I mean, you have Ranveer and Arjun together. It's going to be a fun night, and I think that's why I'm here. IFA is always a celebration. One looks forward to traveling, and like I said, you get to meet fans from different parts of the world. And then of course you have friends who are putting the show together. So I'm just going to sit back and enjoy the evening.
What do you make of Ranveer's dress?
Oh God, what is he wearing today?
Today it's still better.
I think I appreciate the fact that he's honest to everything that he does. Whether it's what he says in his interviews, whether it's the clothes that he wears, whether it's his choice of things. He's very, very honest. It comes straight from the heart. And I think his dress sense is an extension of his personality.
What are you wearing?
Haider,
बड़े शानदार लग रहे हो आप.
Thank you so much. Wow.
And everybody's
दोनों फिल्मों की publicity करनी आप जो बोलिए मैं बोलने के लिए तैयार हूँ.
no, actually everybody's saying that the award definitely belongs to you, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So I'm happy with the way that things have progressed.
Yeah, it's been an amazing year. It's been very. It's actually been very overwhelming to see the kind of love that Haider got, because honestly we didn't know how people would respond to the film. We didn't know that we're making a film that's different, but we were also scared that is this the kind of film that would be appreciated and understood by a larger section of the audience. But the love for the film has kind of been growing. When the film came out, it was liked, and then through the award season, the love for it has been, it's just been growing, and it's phenomenal to see that sometimes when you make a film without worrying about how it's going to do and just try and go out there and make it honestly, people can feel that, they can connect with that, and that's very special feeling.
Very excited about performing after a long time.
Yeah, I'm always nervous about performing, so I'm a little nervous about performing, but I love performing on stage, so I'm going to try and give it my best shot.
And should we congratulate you for the D-Day?
D-Day.
D-Day. शादी ओके चलो शादी
With these things, huh?
शादी
जब होगी तब congratulate कर देना.
जून 10
Find out.